So I went down to the UPS Customer Transfer Center. This is like one of the main UPS branches in town, and picked up my springs there. And let me just pop out here real quick and I'll show you the springs. Okay, and there you see the new springs, 4,400 pound rated. These are considerably thicker, bigger than the stock springs. So I'm looking forward to getting these on, and the eyes, the spring steel on the eyes here is thicker than the stock springs. See the thickness of the top two springs are thinner. The bottom one is about as thick as the one that's coming. And there is the look at the eye there. Can't really see the thickness of the steel on that, but it's definitely thinner. Let me okay, let's try that one again. So that is the thickness of the metal on the spring. And that is the thickness here. So when I go to install them, you'll be able to see the difference. But yeah, very cool. Okay, I have the springs, all the bolts. I sprayed them with some anti-seize or WD-40 penetrator is what I got. And I just noticed that a bolt on my airbag support bracket came apart. So I sprayed those ones, and tops of the U-bolts are sprayed, tops of the, or the bottoms, the bolts for the airbags are sprayed, and that's one of the things that's always kind of bugged me is the U-bolts, or the bolt for the bracket that holds the airbag on, chronically come loose, and I've double nutted them and they still come loose. So I'm going to have to get some longer bolts to go in there. And as you can see, I lost one of the bolts here. Where is that? Right there, you see the bracket hanging right there in the center. So one of the bolts for it fell out. So I'll get that all fixed up. So yeah, those are the spring packs there. And if you just look, you can see the bend in the spring up front here. Maybe not, it's hard to see it. And so these are the new springs just in the back of the truck right now. They're a little heavy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting these on. They do look very nice and substantially built. And as you can see, the truck camper can hardly wait to get them on. I've got the truck campers on top of old cement forms that I made from a job about 10 years ago now. So anyway, okay, that's the update. Springs go on Saturday.